Are you looking to level up your financial game but feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of apps and tools out there? Maybe you've heard whispers about Acorns and Chime, two popular platforms promising to simplify how you manage your money and even grow your wealth. But which one is the right fit for you? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? In today's world, having the right financial tools in your corner can make all the difference between feeling financially secure and constantly playing catch-up. We're no longer just relying on traditional banks. A whole ecosystem of fintech companies has emerged, each offering unique solutions tailored to different needs and lifestyles. Think about it. Managing your finances used to involve endless paperwork, long queues at the bank, and a general sense of complexity. Now, we have apps that can help us save automatically, invest with spare change, and even get paid early. It's a financial revolution happening right in our pockets. Acorns and Chime are two prominent players in this revolution, but they approach personal finance from slightly different angles. Acorns has gained popularity for its focus on micro-investing, making the world of stocks and bonds accessible even to those with limited capital or investing knowledge. On the other hand, Chime has carved a niche for itself by offering modern banking features without the traditional fees, attracting those seeking a more streamlined and accessible everyday banking experience. So, if you're sitting there wondering whether Acorns can help you build a nest egg or if Chime's fee-free banking is the solution you've been searching for, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the core features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of both Acorns and Chime to help you make an informed decision about which financial tool best aligns with your individual goals and circumstances. Let's start by taking a closer look at Acorns. At its heart, Acorns is an investment platform designed to make investing easy and accessible, especially for beginners. Its most well-known feature is roundups. Here's how it works. When you link your debit or credit cards to your Acorns account, the app automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change is then invested into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, chosen based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Imagine buying a cup of coffee for $2.75. Acorns will round that up to $3, and the extra 25 cents will be added to your roundups balance. Once that balance reaches at least $5, it gets automatically invested. It's like saving and investing without even really thinking about it. Beyond roundups, Acorns offers several other features. They provide recurring investments, allowing you to set up automatic daily, weekly, or monthly contributions to your investment account. This helps foster a consistent saving and investing habit. Acorns also offers different subscription tiers, each with varying features and pricing. The basic tier, often the most affordable, typically focuses on the roundups and basic investment account. Higher tiers might include features like retirement accounts, IRAs, checking accounts, and even educational content to help you learn more about investing. A key strength of Acorns is its simplicity. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their investing experience, to get started. They handle the portfolio management, diversification, and reinvesting of dividends, taking the complexities out of the investment process. However, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. Because Acorns charges a monthly subscription fee, the percentage you pay in fees can be relatively high, especially if you have a small account balance. For example, a $3 monthly fee on a $100 account translates to a hefty 36% annual fee. As your account grows, this percentage will decrease, but it's something to be mindful of, particularly when starting out. Furthermore, while Acorns provides diversified portfolios, the level of customization is limited. You choose a general risk profile, conservative, moderate, aggressive, etc., and Acorns selects the ETFs accordingly. If you're a more experienced investor looking for greater control over your specific investments, Acorns might feel somewhat restrictive. Now, let's shift our focus to Chime. Unlike Acorns, Chime positions itself primarily as a banking alternative, offering checking and savings accounts designed to be fee-free and user-friendly. One of Chime's standout features is the absence of many common banking fees. They typically don't charge monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, with spot me eligibility, minimum balance fees, or foreign transaction fees. This can be a significant advantage over traditional banks, where these fees can really add up over time. Chime offers a spending account, their version of a checking account, that comes with a Visa debit card. It facilitates everyday transactions, direct deposits, and mobile payments. They also offer a savings account that allows you to automatically save money through features like Save When I Get Paid, where a percentage of your direct deposit is automatically transferred to your savings, and Round Up My Change, similar to Acorns, but the roundups go into your Chime savings account. Another popular Chime feature is getting paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. This can be a significant benefit for those living paycheck to paycheck, providing a bit more financial flexibility. Chime's technology-first approach is evident in its user-friendly mobile app. The app provides real-time notifications for transactions, allows you to easily track your spending, and offers features like the ability to block your debit card instantly if it's lost or stolen. However, it's crucial to understand that Chime is not a traditional bank. Instead, it partners with FDIC-insured banks to offer its banking services. This means your deposits are still federally insured, but the direct customer service experience might differ from that of a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. Chime primarily offers customer support through its app and online channels, which might not be ideal for everyone. Furthermore, Chime's savings account interest rates have historically been lower than those offered by some other high-yield savings accounts. While the fee-free banking is a major draw, those prioritizing high-interest earnings on their savings might want to explore other options. So, we've looked at the individual strengths and weaknesses of Acorns and Chime. Now, let's put them side by side and compare them directly across key features to help you see where they differ and where they might overlap. Core functionality: Acorns is primarily an investment platform, while Chime is primarily a banking alternative. This is the most fundamental difference. Acorns helps you grow your money through investing, while Chime helps you manage your everyday finances with a focus on fee-free banking. Investment features: Acorns' core strength lies in its micro-investing and automated portfolio management. Chime, on the other hand, offers a basic savings account but does not provide direct investment opportunities in stocks, bonds, or other assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.